Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, welcome back. I forgot the last time that I filmed a video, but yeah, finally we are here again. Yes, I was like, I don't have time to film videos anymore, but I got a new collection that I really want to try, and I was excited, and yeah, we are here. As you guys know, I am a huge fan of the havin makeup line. So when I saw that they were coming with a new whole collection, I was like, God, I need it. This is an amazing collection. And the launch of this collection, it's supposed to be on May 5 on, Cinco de Mayo. But I don't know what happened, and yeah, a few of these Sephora's inside JCPenney got it in stores, and yeah, I don't know what happened. So when I saw that the Sephora's inside JCPenney got this in stores, I was like, God, I need this collection now. I called a few of the Sephora's, and some of them said like they got it in store, but there was one, and they said yes, we got it in store, and I was like, God, I need this collection now. So I went to the store and I got it. So yes, we are talking about the new havin collection. This is the 10-year anniversary collection. So yes. I'm sorry for that. So if you want to know my thoughts and you want to see how I create this look today, just keep watching the video. First, let's start with the palette. The palette looks like this, and it's an amazing palette. It looks so pretty. The packaging is solid, and this art is such an amazing art. It is like the packaging, it is beautiful. So let me open the palette. Yes. So first we have the mirror right here, which is huge, and I love when the palette have mirror on it, because I like to film my videos and my tutorials using the mirror of the palette. So I think this is a plus for me. And you have 16 shades right here, and they are beautiful. I mean, look, this green right here, the blue, oh my God, they're so pretty. This purple right here, this one, the gold, it is super pigmented. I think the palette, it is beautiful. The shades are beautiful, and they are so pigmented, and they blend beautiful. I mean, I used this palette today for the first time, and there's nothing bad about this palette. It is a beautiful palette. The price of the palette, it is $52. It is not available yet. It will be available on May 5, and I think it will be available first on the havin website and also on the Sephora website. I mean, there's a lot of people that they were saying that this palette, it is pretty similar to the Mi Vida Loca palette, but I think there, maybe there's few shades that are similar, but it is, both palettes are different. So I'm going to show you side by side both palettes so you can see if they are similar or not. And yeah, hold on one moment, let me go and grab my Mi Vida Loca palette, and I'll be right back. So we are back, and let me show you. Let's see how we can do this, because the Mi Vida Loca palette is a huge palette. So let's see. So here, oh my God. So yeah, sorry about my nails, they're not pretty, but yeah. Oh God, I touched the palette. You have the both palettes. As you can see, they have few shades that are similar, but I think both palettes are unique and different. I think it is a completely different concept. Maybe, let me see, the orange shade right here. Oh my God. This one right here, it is pretty similar to this one. But after I use this palette, yeah, I think it is a completely different shade. The blue shade on this one, it is darker than this one. I don't know, maybe the nude shades are similar to the one you have on the center of the palette, but yeah, I don't think they're similar. I think they have few shades. The brown shade, hold on, this, yeah, the brown shade, I think it is the most similar shade in both palettes. So yeah, ooh, hold on, it is, God, this one right here, and this one right here. So yeah, but I don't think they are similar. So yeah, so as I said, the palette, it is great, it is beautiful. I used it today for the first time, and I am completely in love. The shades blend beautiful, and I think one of my favorite shades is the blue right here. Also the gold shade, it is super pigmented. The texture of the shades, I think the matte shades are a little bit dry, and after I did the swatches I was like, I don't know if this palette is, you know, good palette, but after I used the palette, this is an amazing palette. So let's talk about the highlighter. Oh my god, there you go. So the packaging of the highlighter, it is gold highlighter. It is beautiful. I think this packaging is gorgeous. The packaging looks like this, and also you have a mirror on it, which is great. I don't use highlighter mirrors for, you know, do my makeup, but I know that there's a lot of people that love to use this mirror for, you know, doing their makeup. So the price of the highlighter, it is $30, and it is a good highlighter. It is a, you know, pretty good highlighter. It is pigmented, it has sparkles on it. If you don't like glitter on your highlighter, then you're not gonna like this. But if you love glitter on your cheeks, then you will love it. The first time that I used this was on Friday, and I was like, God, I was having trouble to apply the highlighter. Yes. So I was having trouble to apply this highlighter when I was dipping the brush on it. I don't know why. It wasn't grabbing like enough product, and the glitter didn't stay on my skin, and yeah. But I scratched a little bit the highlighter, and after that it is gorgeous. It is super gold and has glitter and sparkles, and it is an amazing highlighter. So the next thing that I'm complaining about this highlighter, it is the price. I'm not saying that I'm not saying that $30 it is a bad price for a highlighter. I'm just saying that here you just have 4.8 grams of product, and on the Becca highlighter, this one right here, you have 8 grams, and this one it is $38. So it is the double of the product that you have on the Kat Von D highlighter, and you know, it is pretty similar on the price. Also the Fenty Beauty highlighter, which is this one right here, one of my favorite. You have 8 grams too, and this one is, I think it is $34. So also the double of the product and similar on the price. Last one that I'm gonna talk about, it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills with Embrace, the collaboration that they did together. And this one, you have 9 grams of product. It is more than the double of product that you have on the Kat Von D highlighter, and this one it is 28. So this one is cheaper, so yes. So I think you are paying more for the packaging than the amount of product that you have in here. If you don't mind to pay $30 for 4 grams of product, then yeah, let's go ahead and get this highlighter. It's a pretty highlighter. But if you want to pay for more product, maybe you have to think about it first. I'm not going to talk a lot about the products. I think they're amazing. I love the Kat Von D products. Pigmentation, great. They blend beautiful. So yeah, I love the products. So let's go ahead and jump into the eye tutorial that I did for you guys today. And yeah, let's go. We are back. As I said, I love both products. The highlighter is super shiny and sparkly, I love it, but I love more the palette. It is super pigmented, super pretty. I think that if you like to collect palettes, then yeah, this is for you. I think it is an amazing palette. So I think we are done for today. I'm gonna try to film more videos. I don't want to leave my channel like behind. But yeah, it is hard to work being a wife, being a mom, film videos. It is not easy, but I'm gonna try to, you know, keep filming videos this month. Let's see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like the video, you know, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for being here, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.